to another bulking diaries. You'll have noticed in the last episode and this one, I'm not using my tiny baby mic anymore. I don't know if it's any good. Like when I edit these, before I always put headphones in when I edit and I could just hear like a lot of like background noise just from using the phone audio. So I was like, oh, you know what, I'll get some little mics. But I don't know if there's any better. Obviously I bought some cheap ones, but we are in for another busy day of work. Gym day first, and we are carrying on with our full body split, but with an emphasis on the lower body as we head into our 9th week of bulking. Oh my god. I think we're nearly halfway through this bulk, which is it's fun. I'll be very sad to end the bulk. Probably by the time I get round to the end, I'll be ready. We have to do it, so we are having our, you know it by now, it is our yogurt and rice cakes as our pre-gym snack and my lovely cup of coffee. Work feels very busy at the moment because usually, I mean, I'm still doing work on the weekends, but usually I had more time on the weekends to do bits and bobs, but my life has changed quite a bit and I am seeing more friends again, which is really lovely. I'm currently flat hunting, so that's taking up a little bit of my time. Getting out and enjoying life a little bit more, which is very, very nice, but it does mean that now, like, squeezing more work into less time. It's nearly Christmas. I'm really excited for Christmas. We're on to the third coffee. I don't know why I'm crouching down like this. Breakfast this morning was protein oats. That's kind of my go-to, with blueberries, raspberries, chocolate chips, and a dollop of yogurt. Oh, I love the oat gurt. I hate the name, oat gurt, but it's such a good yogurt. It's like a Greek style oat yogurt, and it's just, oh, I love it. I don't get it very often just because one, it's really expensive, and two, like, just macro wise, I normally have a soy yogurt just so I get like that extra protein in. But it's a little treat every now and again. But I'm gonna have my coffee, and I think it's time for the advent calendar. I'm standing in front of the Christmas tree just because it's festive and I wanted you to see it because I love my Christmas tree. But I got myself a little Nomo advent, so I'm gonna have my little chocky, and I think we should give Piponio his advent calendar. One of the reasons I planned my bulk for this time of the year, Christmas food. Although I'm not gonna go crazy this year. I ate stupid amounts last year because I have my binge eating issues. The tendencies took over. It didn't go well. I love Christmas and I am feeling festive, but because I'm just so busy and it's a weird time at the moment for me, just like not in it as much as I normally am. So I kind of like my brain's not in the game for all of the Christmas foods, but we're bulking either way. Anyway, let's give Pip his advent calendar. What's this? Oh, what have we got? What's this, baby boy? You gonna face that way? Where's number 2? Can you see it? Can you find it? There it is. Look, what's that? What's that? Oh, yeah, that was scary, wasn't it? Good boy. You sit. You sit. Good boy. There you go. You take your time with that. I think you got it. Did you drop a bit? Drop it. That's it. You just get one each day. You get one each day. Yeah. Oh, good Boy, no more. Got back from walking Pipperoni and did my daily hooping. I've nearly finished the 30-day hula hooping challenge, which is all available to watch on YouTube, by the way. Day 26 today. I'm kind of just ready for this challenge to be over now, to be honest. But yeah, it's lunchtime. I feel like I'm like, please sir, could I have some more? It's literally oats. I am aware this is a weird meal. Savoury oats, crispy tofu, broccoli, gherkins go with this, and then a drizzle of sriracha sauce. I like it, okay? I just find with lunches, I'm sure I've said this before in vlogs, I just don't care about lunch, but I do get hungry. And like, yes, I'd love to have, if someone made me lunch, I would love that. But like, when I already cook my dinners and obviously like prepare breakfast, lunch is just like, feels like such a hassle to me. So doing something like this is like, it's so quick to make, that it's fine. Like, it's fine, but it's nice, but I know it's like, it's a weird, I don't know. Just had a little bit of bad news, unfortunately. I was due to go and view a flat on Saturday, and it's just had an offer accepted on it, so they've cancelled my viewing. But I have got another one lined up, and to be honest, I wasn't that bothered about it. Like, it looked like it could have had good potential, but probably needed a bit of work doing, which isn't really what I want. So it's obviously it's for the best. It does mean that I've now got time, because I was going to squeeze in the 2 flat viewings and then my friend was coming to meet me. I've got to travel because I'm moving town. So I was like, I won't have time for breakfast, or I'd struggle to fit breakfast in before the first flat viewing before I have to like travel over to it. But now, and then I was like, I'm not going to have time in between to get breakfast before the next flat viewing. But now I've got loads of time because there's no flat viewing. So I can go and get breakfast after that first one and wait for my friend to arrive. So silver linings. And funnily enough though, I'm going to go, the flat I wanted to view was above the breakfast place that I like. So I'm going to go and sit in the breakfast place underneath the flat that I'm no longer viewing, and just hope that the flat I viewed before I liked. I try and stay positive. I'm trying to set some goals for 2026 for the business, and I'm struggling with it. I struggle to like forward think for myself. Can do it for clients, can't do it for myself. I am also working on some group coaching, so stay tuned for that, because I'm going to do some free group coaching in 2026, which is very exciting. And it's going to be very much around like becoming that gym girl. You know, you fantasize about it, but you can never quite get there because it just feels too tough. So we're going to start from like little baby steps to get you to being that gym girl. So eyes peeled for that. I will be taking every opportunity to have the tree in shot. She's the star of the show. Can we just agree on that? Maybe. I have got my afternoon pick-me-up of a little hot chocolate. I just make it with cocoa powder and water with a little bit of milk, which I know is very boring, but you know, even on a bulk, we can't be having crazy hot chocolates every day, you know. I have just had the moment of standing in the kitchen being like, Biscoff spread? And I'm like, no, we don't need Biscoff spread. Also, I really like my outfit today. It was like, so these jeans, did I mention earlier? I don't think I did. These jeans are very big on me. I really love them, but they're just are really baggy. So I got a belt with them on now. My normal jeans are in the wash, so I was like, oh, I'll just stick them on the belt. And this little, but I quite like the ensemble now. The funny thing is, I've just been discussing with a friend the potential that I may have ADHD. And now I'm just like, I'm not okay. I do think I'm going to have a little bit of Christmas fudge though. I went shopping the other day and ended up in an M&S food hall, as one does. And they had some salted caramel, no, I think it was just fudge. They had some vegan fudge, so I'm never going to turn down vegan fudge. So I got some. This afternoon I've just been meandering between tasks because apparently ADHD brain. Not really like settled to any one thing, but I am like being productive, but just in a really meandering, chaotic way. But things are getting done, so you know, that's the main thing. Power on through with work until it's time for dinner, basically. Yeah, okay. Bye. It's dinner time. Oh, so we have got a spaghetti carbonara. Actually, it's tagliatelle. Oh, no, it's linguine. Linguine carbonara. With, instead of bacon bits, I've got smoked tofu, which actually works very nicely, if I do say so myself. and a side of a tomato because I've got some tomatoes left over. Gonna eat that. Got so much YouTube to catch up on. Like, I just haven't watched any YouTube videos in ages, so I'm gonna try and like crack through some of the people I'm subscribed to on there. And then I'm gonna do some more editing. This evening's just gonna be editing, I think. And then I'd really love to, because I'm still working on my Beyond Anxiety book. Like, I've read it all, but I haven't done like the activities in it. So I want to hopefully get a little bit of time this evening to just do like an activity in there. Gonna have some white chocolate chips for my pudding. Random. There we go. That's what I'm having. Just been bopping around to Carly Rae Jepsen. I can't remember what the album's called, but it's the one that's got I Really Like You on here. I've forgotten how good, like, not a bad song on that album. Not a bad song. I've forgotten how good it is. So I've really been enjoying that, and I would say it's a guilty pleasure, but it's not. I don't even feel bad about it. I just fucking love her. I think she's great. We'll round off here, and I'll see you in the next one.